Chapter 57. Taking a break. Our character is a young boy. Now he is changing the class. At the time the teacher says that it is break time. He gets up and stretches out. He leaves his book on the table. He goes out of the class. He leans against the wall. He talks the people passing by him. Then he wants to have something. He goes to the automatic selling machine and takes the food after. He inserts the coin into the machine. He takes them to the table and sits down and eats them. At that time, his friends come to him, makes joke and laugh at each other. Then he looks at his wristwatch. He goes hurry back to the class. He reaches the class in time. The teacher just starts her lessons. So he sighs heavily.